another update of moving with the McDuffies. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you footage from us making over our Airbnb room. So if you are into that and interested and you want to see, then keep watching. So of course, if y'all been here before, you know that I've lost footage of this moving series. So it's kind of like it jumped from us looking for houses in Virginia to now we've moved to Charlotte. So once I get that footage off of my hard drive to fill in those gaps, I'll do that for you all. But I didn't just want to stop the series because there was a long gap between the one video I posted and more recently. But I'm trying to keep you all up to date and abreast on what's going on in our house and share this journey with you all. So I love to upcycle some furniture. So this is a bedroom set that I purchased from my mother. The footage of me doing this or painting it probably got lost files, but it's all good. You see me up here finishing it. So the first thing that I did was prime this with the Kilns primer because this wood was so dark and I wanted to paint it white and I didn't want the dark stain to bleed through. And then I applied 2 coats of some like cheap, inexpensive white paint because I knew that I was going to distress the dresser and the headboard and the nightstand with a sander. So that's why I wasn't worried about quality. So I just went through and ran the sander over the edges. I went through and ran the sander over the edges and the ridges and the lines so that some of that dark stain could come through so it would look a little bit distressed. But this was a fun, quick, easy, simple project to do just to change the furniture and the overall feel because we wanted the vibes to be light, airy, comfortable, and inviting. So I think the white really did that, and I believe that the dark stain dresser would have weighed it down and made things look heavy. And the dark stain headboard, like it was all the same stain, but having all that dark furniture in the room may have weighed the room down and made it look heavy and a little less inviting. And we wanted to be more comfortable, light, inviting, giving you some hotel vibes. So we already have the furniture in here. It's already done.
You said you want to watch TV. Go.
Our goal is to put this up by this weekend. EJ has taken these little installations that were on the wall down. So we have to do some sanding.
I patched up these holes too. Give me my credit.
Oh, he patched up these holes too. So we're gonna do some sanding.
I patched up these holes too.
And he patched up those holes too.
Give me my credit.
You gonna take those pot things or plant?
No, I'm gonna hang some plants.
Okay. So we have to do some sanding and then we're gonna clean.
Gotta move Nikea all of her
fabric
that she ain't using
yet. So my thing, I think the best way is to tackle this in sections, you know? So we're gonna do some sanding, take down the installment.
Oh!
Sanding, cleaning, take down the, not installments, what are those?
Light covers.
Light covers and the outlet covers, and then tape, and then start painting. I was supposed to start this a few days ago, but I've just not been up to it. Just been having some really rough times at work. But it's cool. So here we are. EJ said he was gonna start today. And I thought he was gonna start during work. Like during the, oh my God, look at this spider.
Where?
It built a home.
Yeah, no.
Where the spray at? And just like that, he's gone.
Sorry if anybody is an animal lover. Hey, better me than him.
Maybe bugs on some of you mugs, but there ain't no bugs on me.
Yeah, he got a gun. Better me than him is what I meant to say.
Better him than me.
Yeah, that's what I said.
You said me than him.
Oh,
you just said it
than me. I said the same thing twice.
Yeah.
I'm tired from work. I had a long day.
So I don't know. Y'all are not gonna see like the whole thing. I'll try to get some footage of it, but I'm on my phone right now. All right, y'all. So I'm sanding. Y'all see the previous painter let some drip. So we just learned from painting in this house that we have to sand because otherwise it's gonna come through in the work that you're doing.
You gotta get on top of it. Yeah, there you go. And then pull out, yeah.
I couldn't get a grip on it because of the paint. Thank you. So y'all, I'm just taking this little microfiber cloth and just wiping. Sorry, it's so close. I'm just wiping off the walls, any extra dust, debris, cobwebs, getting that all off. So we can operate on a clean, smooth surface. All right, we're about to start painting. We're doing the trim and the edges with this, what is this called? Shoreline Edger E-Light. Shoreline Edger E-Light. It was $5, I think, at Walmart. Yeah, so that's what I'm about to do. We're painting this room. We're painting the whole house simply white. Everything is simply white by Bear.
Yeah, that wasn't always the plan.
We were gonna paint the rooms a agreeable gray, but we fell in love with simply white. It just makes the room brighter, it looks cleaner, fresher, and it just opens up the room. And also, while we're doing home improvements, you can see my lock journey. Touching my back.
See, I guess I can take it off and then put it back on for
to mix it, yeah.
You gotta mix it.
Stir it up, little darling, stir it up.
I just dropped a piece of hair in there from my chin hair or something.
Good job, baby. It should be good because that was been sitting that long.
Milk.
Scraping the bottom?
Yeah.
Oh, it's still glugging. There we go. Let it float and scrape. Okay, I didn't get enough up there. Float. Okay, and scrape.
Why don't you just put this down? Oh, you putting it back on there.
You got to the edge. Need some more paint on the center. Okay.
So we both know it's wrong. Can't keep this for long.
All right, this is where we are on the room. I did all the edges. EJ did all the filling in. Oops. So this is just the first coat, so it always looks rough. EJ is finishing up this last little section. So one coat tonight, and we'll do another coat tomorrow. And it should be good after 2 coats. Edging took longer than I thought it would, but I think it helped EJ in the long run.
Yeah, for sure.
So I guess I'll do some edging tomorrow.
The only thing I'm concerned about, like, you can still see the outline.
I think they got paint on the ceiling.
No, like I can still see where the square is. You see what I'm saying? Like right here.
That's why you should.
So, but once I go over after you go tomorrow, I think they'll take care of it.
Yeah.
So I can't paint before you tomorrow. I gotta be patient.
Yeah.
And go after you.
All right, y'all. We are putting the finishing touches on our Airbnb. Yesterday we went to Marshall's, Home Goods. Tuesday morning, Walmart. Roses. Did we go to Target?
No.
So EJ is hanging up the TV there. We got a carpet to go under. Tell me what y'all think. Is it too small? I think it's good enough, you know, something to put your feet on when you get up in the morning instead of the floor. We got curtains hung. Got these lamps. Oh, we went to Ollie's too. And let's see. Got some stuff for the bathroom. Got these bathroom mats. I changed out the lights up there. We have some more stuff to put up here. But yeah, just wanted to, ooh, y'all. So just wanted to come and update y'all, and then I'll show y'all the final. I look crazy. Whatever. I'll show y'all the final look when we get done. So you saw that footage of us, you know, painting, deciding what we're gonna do at the house. We went to so many stores that day. We went to Ross, we went to Gabe's, we went to At Home, we went to TJ Maxx, we went to Marshall's, we went to Target, we went to Walmart. We bought so many things to get this room done, and my husband and I just collabed and came together, and we got it done in one day, all of the little accoutrements, if you will. So let me walk you through the room tour. So this room is located downstairs off of the den, and you walk right in, and this is what you see. This nightstand and this bed, I DIY'd that, as you saw. We painted it and distressed it. The lamps are from Ollie's. My husband got this refrigerator because, you know, when people stay in Airbnb, they want to have somewhere to keep their food, and also a little coffee station with that Keurig. We also put some window treatments up, finally, window treatments somewhere in the house. And as you can see, that distressing there, you saw how I did that in the earlier clip. And then we decided to keep the bedding just all white with accents of yellow to kind of play off the gold as well. It keeps it nice and fresh and clean. And also white is easy to wash and clean. If you have people like coming in and you're turning over a room, you can bleach it. You can't bleach color. These are the original floors. And this room also has its own entry. So it has a screen door, and there's also a lock and key that you can use. And this dresser and the bed and the nightstand set all came together, something that we bought from my mom, and the mattress as well. So that helps us out with cost. And I just spray painted the handles gold to give that aesthetic. I don't know what aesthetic this is. It's nice and clean. And I believe this. And I think the rug we got from Ollie's as well. So I just love the whole vibe of this room. It's so comfy, cozy. We have family stay here. We have listed it on Airbnb as well. So a few people have stayed here. We also have some other plans for this room. And we just have, you know, a little small TV in there so people can watch. And I plan to have a little me day in this room as well. Order some DoorDash and just hang out in the room. But I definitely like the vibes. I think we do need to add some more like decorative elements on the wall, but I think this is the first room that we really completed in the house. And EJ also painted this door to match the front door. Yeah, and that is our Airbnb room. I really love this room. I'm proud of us because I feel like we came together as a couple and like put it together. It just made sense. And some of the elements that we added were feedback from people that stayed in the Airbnb, like the mirror, for instance. We got this from Target because there is a bathroom, but there's no full-length mirror, so people can't see, you know, what they look like at the end of the day. You know, everybody wants to see like, what am I giving? What do I look like? Yeah, I really love this room. It's so fresh, so clean, so bright, so comforting, warming, and inviting. I love it. So that is the update for our Airbnb room. Like I said, there's still a few more things that we probably need to do, like with some decorative wall pieces, but it's really at a good spot. It was the first room that we felt like we completely finished, that was done in the house. So we have finished that, the living room, kitchen, entryway, all those areas are about done. But the last little decorative pieces like the window treatments and any art or wall decorations is what we need to do. And I'll definitely come back and update you all on all of that. Again, thank you so much for watching and joining us on this journey of moving with the McDuffies. But before you go, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I'll be sure to see you in the next update. Bye.